Hello everyone, this is Affordably Crafty, and today I have a shop with me at Joann's. Some new Yarnie things. The first thing I saw was this side cap full of kits that is branded by Jonah Larson. Hello, crochet friends. I don't know if you want to give this to your crochet friends. I mean, this is cute if you have someone who's just learning. But keep in mind, all these are $10.50 normally. And I have to say, here, crochet this rectangle and a circle and put a button on it. And oops, that fell to the ground because it's shameful. It's ashamed of itself for how bad it is. You get that much yarn, one hook, and 4 buttons for $10.50. I'm sorry, and a needle. No. It would be better to get a skein of Super Saver or Big Twist here at Joann's and a hook and save some money. I'm sorry, they're not $10.50, they're $10.99. $11 for what is that? Crochet pencil cup, otherwise known as a basket. What do you guys think of these? There's a little bit more yarn in there, but really not much. I'd say none of these have an equivalency close to the line brand bonbons, which isn't saying a lot. Yeah. No, okay. Here's a wall hanging. That's 1 granny square. Not really getting the... Is anybody excited by this? Or am I just being extra salty today when I'm doing this voiceover? I was way saltier when I was in the store and actually came upon it, and I was like, $11? Who in their right mind would pay $11 for these? You too can have a jacked up cactus that has pom-poms on it. Why would you put pom-poms on a cactus? Isn't there like about a bajillion cuter amigurumis you can make of a cactus? Like succulents are like in. Okay, these are cute. They're coasters. Good way to learn. Trust me, there's hardly any yarn in there. Hardly any. Okay, next one is and then I could not get this to go back on. Pardon me, folks. Next one's going to be a koala bear. Hey, if you're new here, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram and join my Facebook group where I post about all my steals, deals, and freebies I find in my travels in the crafting world. And then there's a jacked up, what is that even supposed to be? Raccoon? I don't know. With this hair on the side, it's kind of weird. So these are the Jonah Larson Crochet Friends kits that this week they're on sale for $7 something because I apparently cut that off at Joann's as of this filming. Yeah, little tiny balls of yarn that would be like why don't you just get some scrap balls and give them to somebody? That's about the equivalent size here. It's like, here, have some offcuts of yarn. That's what I feel like they did with these kits. Yarn offcuts, right? And these are on sale until, can't read the sign. So there's like a bear thing that was missing from that, but the other ones I all filmed. Okay, then they had this whole end cap of crochet kits. Some of which I haven't seen before. This is Disney Frozen Crochet. The place that I usually find the most of these, this is $27.99. And most of these, if you're not familiar, are going to come with a pattern book, a hook, a darning needle, and yarn to make 2 of these patterns. So this one has yarn, I believe, for Anna and Elsa. So all the other ones, you're going to have to get your yarn for somewhere else. So again, it's a cute gift. Yeah, they usually make 2 projects. And then on the side, you're going to see there's all these characters. This is definitely an item I would use a coupon on. If it's not excluded, I'd have to look at the coupon. The actual place that I usually find many of these is actually, believe it or not, Barnes & Noble. Oh my God, I almost said Borders there. Who misses Borders as much as I do? Oh, Borders. Oh, finger puppets. I've never seen this before in a kit. Has anybody seen crochet finger puppets in a kit before? Because I haven't. And I kind of like that this is got Ariel and Ursula. Ariel is currently my son's favorite. I don't know, that sounds so weird. Princess. Favorite princess. Here are the regular princesses. Again with Ariel. This includes yarn to make Cinderella and Ariel. Yeah, Barnes & Noble is usually where I find a bunch of these. In fact, I have a walkthrough video of Barnes & Noble I did a while ago. I'll put that in the description box if you guys want to check it out. I'm actually due for a redo on the Barnes & Noble walkthrough. Maybe I can do that next week sometime. I'll put it on my list. My filming ideas list. Okay, then there's some Star Wars finger crochet puppets. Cool. I like that. That is super fun. I just think it's neat that they're finger puppets. Skylar was a little bit younger. She was like obsessed with finger puppets. Yoda. If I made these, I'm going to tell you they wouldn't look like people. I don't have much experience with Amigarumi. It's just not my jam. Classic Disney crochet. This is 12 projects. If you just want the Minnie and Mickey experience, there is one at Barnes & Noble's that has less characters, and it's like half the money. Oops, sorry. It's kind of unwieldy to turn all these boxes around while I'm also filming with one hand, so sorry, guys. I did my best. Chip and Dale, Dumbo, Daisy and Donald, Bambi. Let's see. Cool. Awesomeness. Marvels. Although, I kind of feel like these aren't going to come out looking correct. If you know what I mean. I don't know. Which one of these kits is your favorite? Please let me know down below. Mine would definitely have to be the villains finger puppets. I think that's pretty fun. Pretty fun. $24.99. I'll have to see if these have coupons. I don't remember. It might have been on sale this week that I filmed too. Not sure. We'll see when I get to a wide shot here. Oh, wait. I think there's a sign right there in front of my face. Star Wars crochet. I've seen this one around before. I have a Winnie the Pooh and a Harry Potter, I believe, downstairs of this stuff. I definitely have a Harry Potter. They sold me with the wand. Stuff that's been going on my channel lately. So if you have not seen the walkthroughs of Ocean State Job Lot, go check those out. Also, coming soon here, I have new yarn from Joann's that I filmed the same day I did this. And also hook reviews of new hooks I found at Joann's. It's very exciting. They finally reset the hook aisle. And I can't wait to show you the new Francis Mansi setup they have. Friends. However, fair warning, guys. Oh, you can make two things. You make a big orange couch and the Thanksgiving turkey. You'd think it'd be Rachel and Ross or something. Nope, you get to make a couch and a turkey. Wah, wah. You tell me how many people are going to miss that it says that and get really mad when they open this up and they're not making people. I feel like it's a bit of misadvertisement there, friends. 12 projects here. You make 2 of them. This is from Animal Planet. Oh, another place I found these on a more deep discount is BJ's or possibly a Costco or a Sam's Club if you have those. They tend to have these over with the books sometimes, especially during the holidays. That was another spot for the same exact kit. Ooh. I gave this some serious consideration, guys. Trolls finger puppets. Ugh. There you go. I have everything to make Poppy and Branch. That's the 2 ones that the kiddos want. Includes instruction books. Now, this is from Trolls 2, Trolls World Tour. And it's got the Country Troll and the Techno Troll and the Rock Troll and the ones that are related to Who's His Name and Poppy and then Maestro guy. Cool kit. My Little Pony Crochet. Includes everything to make Twilight Sparkle and Rainbow Dash. These guys all kind of look similar, if you ask me, with slight differences. This is not as interesting as some of the other kits to me. Yeah, okay. So let me know which one of these kits was your favorite and give me your honest feedback on the Jonah Larson kits. And keep in mind, I'll have some new yarn walkthrough coming up shortly here and also some new hook reviews. Oh, and here's the spot for Harry Potter crochet. Yeah, this one always seems to sell out pretty fast. It's very perpetually popular, I should say. Perpetually popular. Here's a wide shot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, look, they're 25% off. See, I thought they were on sale. All right, guys, please like, share, and subscribe so your friends can be affordably crafty too and have a creative day. Bye-bye.